Hey class, so today we are working on lesson 16. So first off, I'm going to go over example 1A and 1B with you. So we're looking at like terms. They have the same variables and the same exponents. We can only add and subtract like terms. So for example, if I had a bunch of apples and oranges, say I had two groups, I can't say I have 11 apple oranges together. I have to say I have this many apples and this many oranges, okay? So that goes the same thing with x's, x squareds, x cubes. So we're gonna go over this together. So first off, when we look here at this example, we have 3x squared and we have 5x squared. So because both of those are x squareds, we can actually simplify that. So I would say equals 5 and 3 give me 8. And because we're dealing with x squareds, we have 8x squareds. That one's pretty simple. Let's look at the next one, okay? So the next one, when we look, wrong. Let's keep that back there. The next one, it says 4x squared minus 5x plus 3x squared minus 6x. So if you look up above here, it says to solve this, first we group the like terms together. Remember, the sign moves with the term in front, or the one that's in front of, okay? So the first thing I see, we have a negative 4x squared, and we have a positive 3x squared. So I'm gonna write equals. I'm gonna put those in order first. So I have negative 4x squared. And then over here, I had a positive 3x. So I'm going to write positive 3x squared. Then we're going to continue. We're going to look at our x's. So over here, I have a negative 5x. So I'm going to write negative 5x. And then the last one here, I have a negative 6x. So I'm going to write negative 6x. Sorry, it's getting a little cramped there. Okay, so now that we have organized it, we have our x squareds together, and then we have our x's together. So we're going to simplify these. So if I look here, keep my equal sign lined up, I have negative 4 and a positive 3. So negative 4 adding 3, I am left with negative 1. And because we're dealing with x squareds, I have negative x squareds. Okay? You could put a 1 in front if you needed, but it's assumed that there's a 1 there. Okay? So then the next section is this section right here. I have negative 5x's, and I'm taking away another 6x's. So now I'm left with negative 11x's. And that is your final answer.